replacing the Mercedes W177 fuel cover release, and we've got a genuine part from Mercedes. So let's attempt to replace it. So as you can see, we'll be replacing this part here. With this genuine part from Mercedes. Very similar. As you can see, you want to lift this flap to release the old one. And then that will release the actuator, which it has, and pull that out. And then once you have it released, you then push this latch up and pull out the plug. And here we have the new part, and just plug it right in. It's nice and tight, and lock the latch. And again, tuck it right in, so the top slot goes in first, and push it in. There you go, nicely secure. And hopefully that should resolve the solenoid valve actuator head sticking. As you can see, I can lock and open, not sticking anymore. Now, as you see, it is installed with the new part, and this is the release mechanism. So I'll probably put some WD-40 just to lubricate it a little bit. Just to prevent it from sticking, and wipe the extra residue. Off. And then that should resolve the issue. So turn the car on, and there you go, the release mechanism is nice and smooth. Turn the car off, it's on. Turn the car off, sorry, and turn it back on. Perfect. And that's that. These are the tools that were required. So the part, a flathead screwdriver, quite a thin one if you can, with a longer head if possible, and a little bit of the WD-40. So I'll be chucking this old part away, so I'm going to be reusing that. And just for reference again, this is the part for W177, model series 177, and this one has been fitted to a Mercedes A-Class.